Hey guys, we got a present from Amy.
Hi,
You guys want to say anything to Amy?
Hi, Amy. We miss you. Merry Christmas.
Say hi, Amy.
Hi, Amy. Hi.
Look, it came today in the mail. It looks like it got beat up along the way.
Carson. Can we open it?
Can you open it? Sure. It shouldn't be that hard because it's already half open.
Hey, there's a present inside.
There's a present inside.
I'll help you get it out.
Oh my goodness.
Chocolate. There's a lot. There's chocolate.
Whoa.
I'll take that.
Hey.
We have one.
Wait. There's more stuff. Holy camole, it just keeps coming.
Present.
Are there names on them?
No.
No? All right, then you can each open one. Mike, you want to open that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think this one is for Michael.
Why do you say that?
What's it say?
Wait, guys, do you know how to read French to know what it says? What is it? Oh my gosh, what a cool little Swiss bear. I don't think it's a bear. I think it's like a hedgehog or a mole or a chipmunk.
Hot Wheels! I think this one's for me.
Yeah. It's for all of you to share.
Hot Wheels cars!
Yeah, okay, what do you want to say to Amy?
Thank you, Amy. What is that?
Nick, what do you got? Show me.
How you say it in French?
For Kinder Urban and Cinder. Somebody.
I think that means children's candy. Isn't that what she gave you last year? Didn't it mean children's candy?
Hey,
That's-
I didn't open my
Oh wait, that's German.
Schlitzbach.
Schlitzbosch Brooklyn News. I think it's candy. Yeah, because it says milk,
Hey, Mom, these cars are called...
milk chocolate.
Hey, Mom, these...
So, yeah, hang on one
Mom,
second.
these cars are called the Wildcat.
The Wildcats, that's so cool.
There's the Wildcat.
Guys, what do you want to say to Amy?
Thank you, Amy.
How you say it in French?
Merci. Merci, that's right. Say, guys, oh, it plays Oh, how cool is that?
I think that one's for Mike.
Oh, that's awesome. No, everything is for everybody. Guys, say, listen, shh. Say, we will see you soon. We can't wait till you come back.
See you soon. We can't wait till you come back.
Everybody give her a big wave.
Bye.
Bye.